Hey, to be honest, I can see some pronouns here, and this one is like okay, and I am a teacher, I am a student, right? And here I can see right? We are students, we are teachers, and we are doctors, right? And we can see here he he is a teacher, he's a teacher, he's a teacher, right? And here I can see this one is she, right? This one is she. So she's a doctor, she's a teacher, like this. And I can see here they 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 are teachers, they are doctors, etc. We can say, and here we can see it, it, like it's a microphone. It's a microphone. Thanks for watching the video and see you next time. Peace.